model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom Front-Wheel Drive 2.0 TDCi High Roof Spares OR Repairs Body, white, panel van mileage, 131941 MOT, 7 December 2023 engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130 PSA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped. Nice easy fix on these engine condition summary, bodywork is average, interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap, retail, £9,525. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.